Hi, many standards like ISO, TS, HSE, mandates compulsory training periodically. simpliRP facilitates in recording such trainings. Go to enter training details. You can enter the training reference. Please enter training subject. Enter any overall training remarks if any. Select the trainer. Enter the date of training, from time, and to time. Select the parties attended the training. Enter the individual training details. You can repeat the same steps to enter more training details. You can even enter training details of the subcontractors, customers, consultants, and employees. You can now please go to training report. Select the dates and filters. You can see the complete report of all the training conducted within that period. You can also go to next training due report. Select the target dates. This report will informs all the trainings to be conducted in the selected dates. simpliRP also has a facility of viewing all the upcoming training in a calendar format. Go to training follow-up. Select the month for which you want to see the upcoming training schedules. You can print the calendar or save as PDF format too. simpliRP helps you in compliances of industrial standards. Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.